26 organizing habits for 2026.
26 hacks, declutter always. And the other thing would be declutter at the door before things come into your home. Keep things in categories. Keep things where you use. I think that's far more important than, keeping it in what looks perfect. Label everything. Keep as many things possible as clear bins because they're visible for you. Organize for the laziest version of you. On a lazy day, if you're able to maintain, then that system would work. File fold your clothes which are in drawers because then you're able to see a substantial part of it. Use everything, the spaces at your eye level for things that you use frequently. It could be clothes, it could be products that you're using. Use all the stuff that you've kept for the special day on actually daily basis. Always have a fixed donation box in your home. So everything that you see at any point in time and you feel you're not going to use, you actually can directly put it in that donation box. Keep systems very simple so that everyone in the home can follow it. Digitize memory items. So you don't need to have those big albums. You don't need to have those old films. You can digitize. Even it could be something as simple as artwork done by your kids. Have a routine. I feel like every Sunday I do my weekly menu. So just having fixed time to do certain activities that can make your week easier or month easier. It could be the day that you order your groceries. Instead of just doing it randomly, have fixed days or times when you do it. Have a nighttime 10-minute reset or whatever that works for you. It could be morning, night, but having a fixed time where you can just reset the house. It just could be putting things back in their space. I think just makes it very easy. Always remember, progress over perfection. You will not achieve that perfect organized home overnight. It is a process and a journey. And always remember, organized versus aesthetic. Some things might look great aesthetically, but might not actually be functional. So functionality over aesthetics any day. Have one calendar for your home. So it's easier it could be digital calendar, it could be a physical calendar, where you put in things that, every family member's activity, important dates, so it just becomes easy for you to do. Use technology for organizing. Like I do my weekly menus on ChatGPT, so I think it just saves me, instead of spending half an hour thinking what to do, it's just easier to put it on it, give the feed that you need to, and also it pulls out what you need to shop. Look at your home. If you feel that space is less, optimize the vertical spaces to create organizing solutions so it's easy. Remember to buy products where you know what you're using them for, not just because they look great. When I say products, organizing products. Always have an emergency folder, file, drawer where you keep all your important documents. So today, if you have to pick everything out and run out of your home, you should have those important documents kept in a safe place, in a folder that's easy for you to pick and use. If you can't see it, you're not going to use it. So make sure things that you actually want to use are visible to you. Also, the systems that you create have to save time. They can't complicate the process. So keep your systems very simple and easy for everyone in the home to follow. Lesser containers, like when we see all these aesthetic reels, there's so many containers. Lesser containers is lesser decision making. So just make sure you categorize it, but don't fill your wardrobes or your kitchens with so many containers that you're managing the containers. That also means lesser decision fatigue for you. Always remember that everyday items should be kept in open boxes. So you don't need to open the lid every day for using those items. Things like backstock can go in closed boxes and go in spaces that are not accessible on a daily basis. Duplicates are great for consumable items, like it's great for your duplicate snacks, extra, whatever it is. But duplicates for things that you're not using every day is excess. So that's something that you need to look at and make sure either you don't buy it or you declutter or give away. And remember that regifting cupboard that we always have and we never use. It might be good to donate them, then put them in regifting. So relook at it.
For parenting tips, celebrity interviews, recipes, conversations with experts, DIYs, and lots more. Subscribe to Kidstoppress now.